In this world, the rich are going to get richer and the poor are going to get poorer. Teenagers must use their strength and time in order to accumulate wealth so that they will not be left behind. With the rapid evolution of technology, teenagers can now use this opportunity to make money online from home. If you're a teenager and looking for ways to make extra income or start a side hustle from home, you've come to the right place. We'll cover some of the most popular and effective ways to make money from home. Because there are so much to say in each category, we will try to give you the core and limit all the extra information. You can always look up on the internet for details if you are interested in a specific topic. With that being said, let's dive right into it. Freelancing. Freelancing is a great way to make money from home because you can offer your skills and services to clients all over the world. Some popular freelance services include writing, graphic design, web development, social media management, and virtual assistants. You can sign up for freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer to find clients and projects in your field of expertise. When you're starting out, it's important to set reasonable rates and build a portfolio of your work to showcase your skills. Over time, you can increase the price of your services depending on the demand and the customer feedback you receive. Online tutoring. Online tutoring is a great way to make money if you have expertise in a particular subject. You can offer your services to students of all ages and levels through platforms like Chegg, TutorMe, and Schooly. When setting up your tutoring business, it's important to identify your target market and create a pricing strategy that is competitive but also reflects your expertise. Selling products online. Selling products online is another popular way to make money from home. You can start by selling products that you create yourself or source from suppliers. Some popular online marketplaces for selling products include Amazon, eBay, and Etsy. Alternatively, you can create your own online store using platforms like Shopify. When starting an online store, it's important to identify your niche and target market, and to create a marketing strategy that will drive traffic to your store. Online surveys and tasks. Completing online surveys, watching videos, or performing other simple tasks can be a great way to earn extra cash in your free time. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Inbox Dollars offer these types of opportunities. Although they may not be the most lucrative, they can be a great way to earn a few extra dollars without much effort. Virtual assistants. Many businesses and entrepreneurs need help with administrative tasks, such as email management, social media posting, and appointment scheduling. You can offer your services as a virtual assistant through platforms like Zirchel, Time, etc., and Virtual Gal Friday. When setting up your virtual assistance business, it's important to identify your services and pricing, and to create a marketing strategy that will attract clients. Sell your skills on online marketplaces. Platforms like TaskRabbit and Thumbtack offer opportunities for people to sell their skills in a variety of areas, such as cleaning, handyman services, and personal shopping. If you have a skill that you can offer in your community, consider signing up for these platforms to find clients. When starting your business on these platforms, it's important to set reasonable rates and create a professional profile that showcases your skills and experience. Write an ebook or sell a course. If you have expertise in a particular area, consider creating an ebook or online course to sell to others. Platforms like Udemy and Teachable offer easy-to-use tools to create and sell your course. When creating your ebook or course, it's important to identify your target audience and create content that is informative and engaging. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's products and earning a commission on sales made through your unique affiliate link. You can promote products through your blog, social media, or email list. Websites like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer affiliate programs in a variety of niches. When starting your affiliate marketing business, it's important to choose products that align with your audience's interests and to create content that promotes the products in an authentic and informative way. YouTube videos and blogging. Starting a YouTube channel or blog is another great way to make money from home. You can monetize your content through advertising revenue, sponsorships, or by selling your own products or services. When creating content for YouTube or blogging, it's important to identify your niche and target audience, and to create engaging and informative content that resonates with your viewers or readers. Invest in the stock market. The last way is investing in the stock market. This can be a great way to build wealth over time. You can start by opening a brokerage account with a reputable broker like Robinhood, E-Trade, or TD Ameritrade. When investing in the stock market, it's important to do your research and invest in companies that you believe in and that have a track record of success. It's also important to diversify your investments to minimize risk. In conclusion, there are many ways to start making money from home right now. Whether you choose to start freelancing, selling products online, or investing in the stock market, it's important to stay focused, be persistent, and always be on the lookout for new opportunities. Remember that success takes time and effort, but with dedication and hard work, you can achieve your financial goals and enjoy the freedom that comes with financial independence. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. I'll see you next time. Peace.